Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad SYAFIQ bin Muhammad ADNAN and my partner is Muhammad AMMAR bin GHAFFA. So today we're going to talk about the feature of data storage, holograph, liquid state and DNA. So first, when we're going to talk about the feature, we need to talk about the advancement of the data storage. For years, it has been standard practice to keep important document on your local computer. But technology has changed so much in a very short amount of time, and a lot of new and advanced ideas are on the way. So first, let's take a look of our first data storage, which is IBM Pascal in 1928, and then we have IBM magnetic tape, then IBM hard drive, and then we have floppy drive, and then KZ tape. After that, floppy disk, and then compact disk, and then 35-inch hard drive, and then we have zip drive, and then we have the DVD-R drive, and then we have SD memory card, and then we have USB flash drive, and then we have cloud storage, and then we have Blu-ray disc, and then we have cloud hard drive. So first feature of data storage I want to talk about here is holograph. So holographic data storage. Holographic storage has the potential to be a game changer. Instead of storing the data on the surface of the disk, holographic storage works in 3 dimensions. Even though DVDs can have numerous layers, the laser that can scan them only can read from one angle at a time. Holographic technology uses the full depth of the medium and can store the data at multiple levels. So here is Microsoft exploring and trying exploring holographic storage devices for the cloud to address these issues. For us, the user can store the data in the device and to read it, and for the user and for other users can view in a very efficient way. And then after that we have liquid state data storage. Instead of storing information in a solid state, metal inside the hard drive is kept in its liquid state. However, the substance isn't a true liquid metal like mercury or gallium. It's actually a compound known as vanadium dioxide. It can be given a positive or negative charge and can be manipulated to switch between conducting and insulating. So right here is the example of the liquid hard drive. So it actually only a spoonful of it's an image of a spoonful of data. The liquid hard drive that could store a terabyte of data in a tablespoon of fluid. With the only tablespoon of fluid, it can actually store a terabyte of data.
My name is Muhammad bin GHAFFA and I would like to talk about DNA. It was started off as a joke turned into reality when 2 genomicists discussed how appropriate storing data on DNA could be. Data files are converted into binary code and then into A, T, G and C code, which stand for the 4 DNA bases. From these letters, blueprints for the DNA are drawn and the actual strands are created. To the human eye, the completed DNA fragments look like a tiny amount of dust at the bottom of a test tube. There are 4 organic bases of DNA, which is A, G, C and T. A stands for adenine, G, guanine, C, cytosine and T, thymine. Specific sequence of these bases into group of 3 known as codon, usually used as secret messages. By translating 1 and 0 of binary code into DNA codon, digital data could be programmed into synthetic DNA, then decoded back to binary. Why we use DNA? In terms of capacity, DNA stands out due to the amazing amount of information it can hold in such a small amount of space. Computers and magnetic tape and also disk stored information only last for a few decades, while DNA has a life of 500 years before half of it is born to break. As you can see at our slide, in 2016, researchers of Microsoft and University of Washington using binary code to capture the data, referring to the codon DNA. Okay, for quiz of the day, what is the other feature of data storage that has a big potential? I choose multi-cloud storage. IBM, which is a technology company, are working on a new advanced technology that they call as the cloud of clouds. What is multi-cloud storage? Multi-cloud storage refers to the usage of several cloud storage systems which can be hosted in the public cloud, a private cloud, or on-premise resources with cloud-like features. Multi-cloud storage also have some benefits such as cost optimization and also increased data protection and flexibility. I think that's all from us. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.